Hi everyone, this is going to be a short video on how to make a simple, yet I think elegant, floating frame for your artwork, similar to what we have here. As you can see, we get this floating effect and it hangs very nicely on the wall. What you're going to need is a hot glue gun, some fishing line, a scalpel, very important that this is a very sharp blade, pencil, right angle, steel rule, some foam board. This cost $1 at the dollar store. Some spray adhesive, or you can use a photo mount adhesive. It's probably better, but I happen to have the Gorilla spray adhesive. Staple gun, a pack of artist canvas. These cost $15 for 7, so say $2 each. And last but not least, some coffee. So this is the process I use for making these floating frames. First, take your picture that you want to mount. And typically what I like to do is just to trim off some of the edges so it's not as large as it could be. This is printed on fiber-based paper, and it's a matte sort of finish. Okay, then select a piece of your poster board, get it on the right side, which is the size that you want. Again, there's no particular issues here. Just make sure that it's approximately the right size and that it covers what you want to mount. So here I'm using the straight edge, straight line, straight edge, straight line. It'd be easier if I had a framing square, but I don't happen to have one at the moment. Take this. Like so. And of course, with it only being $1 a sheet, if you make any mistakes, just throw it away and start again. Then take your scalpel, always being careful, line it up, hold it at an angle of around 45 degrees, and cut through. Easy, nice, straight edge. Got that piece. This. There we go. So we have a piece of Foamcore, larger, but enough to mount our picture on. Now what we got to do is spray it. So what I typically do is do a light coat on the back here, and then a quite heavy coat on the Foamcore, which we'll get into next. Now we're going to spray the back of the photograph. Now, typically, what I have found is that these cans are prone to drip. So what I prefer to do is to mount it just roughly vertical and spray like this. Of course, you should always do this in a well-ventilated area. Even so, you can see there's some drops appear. Okay, so there we have the back of the photo. Place this to one side, then take the Foamcore, put it on here. Same thing. Nice even coating. You can see the drops on the base there. Now, take the Foamcore, take your photograph, hold it like so, get it approximately in the middle. This is why we allow some extra space around here, in case we get it wrong. And then gently lay it down from the middle outwards. And use this motion. Gently to press it into place. If you have a rubber roller, even better. But I found that this method works fine. Once that's done, now we get to trim it. So take your straight edge, take your scalpel, lay it along the edge, take it approximately 1 millimeter in from the edge, make sure you don't get any white, and then make a cut. There we go. Same thing on this side. About 1 millimeter in from the edge. One more to go. Here we go. One nicely framed, or should I say, foam cord image. So now the next stage is to mount the backing to the foam core print. So what I typically do here is take one of these artist canvas, like so, and then mount it in the middle. I use a very simple method. I just gauge it by eye. This one's 80 by 80 both sides, and this is 40 each end, 40 on the top, 40, you know, just roughly. You know, I get it. It's no big deal. Then I take the pencil, and it helps if I have a pencil that works. Okay, I make a very light mark in each corner, like so, like so, like so, like so, like so, like so. Take it off. Then I take the hot glue gun. And what I do is I put a healthy dollop of glue here, here, halfway in between, center, halfway, halfway, corner, center, corner. And before it gets cold, I line this up with the pencil marks, put this on, press this down, press it in the middle, and there we are. Now on to the final stage. This is where we attach the fishing line with a hanging. So find the spot roughly 1/4 to 1/3 of the way down, avoiding any knots. Notice there's a knot in this wood here which causes a problem. So staple it, make a loop, staple it again, make sure that it's tight. Bring it across to the opposite side, staple, make a loop, staple, make sure that it's tight. I think I'll give this one an extra. There we go. And then we cut the fishing line. And then we have one piece of artwork ready to hang. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this useful.